Welcome and welcome back. Let's draw a cafe near a beach today. As usual, let's start with a pencil sketch. I always try to draw some horizontal lines if possible. I do this to get a general view of where to put the different objects down the road when the sketch gets detailed. I am not trying to be too detailed or perfect. I am just trying to draw in a manner as if trying to convey the idea of a cafe. But I should say I do take some care in drawing the details, however loose they may be. Sometimes I just want to keep on adding more things to the drawing, but we should keep in mind not to go overboard. Let's start to outline the sketch. I am using the 005 pen as I don't want the lines to be too dominant. Having variation of thickness while using a liner is a good thing to do. So I am almost finished with the lining. You can see I have not covered everything. I am deliberately trying to make things imperfect. Let's start with the sky. Wetting the paper and then applying patches of color. The ocean can have a warmer shade. I am starting to color the sand. I have made it uneven to account for the unevenness of the sand. I also did a little variation in colors. I applied color to the roof and then used water to get it lighter where the roof is kind of reflecting the sun. Same goes for this. I am coloring the glasses now. Let's color the walls next. These are the darker areas of the sand. I have started coloring by using light shades for the trees and bushes. I am coloring the tree trunks now. Again, not thinking too much about colors mixing up. Let's color the tree with a darker shade of green. I am coloring the wooden parts now. Now using black, we will color the shadows and dark areas. I should keep in mind where the sun is. Not trying to be too calculative, but at the same time keeping the shadows consistent with the light rays. We are almost done. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.